let's do some simple wiper cowl maintenance. Now for me, I'm fortunate enough to have compressed air. We don't want to get leaves all in our car. Your car will thank you. Remember, we're not doing like a major job here. You can see how much debris is still down inside the wiper cowl. Hopefully that'll all drain out of the wiper cowl. Remember, this car was just at Valvoline. They didn't say anything to her. You don't want leaves in the engine bay or in the engine. Alright. Man. That's really clogged. It's that simple, or it's not that simple.